Welcome back to German Brew. Today, a banana mead. So this time again, we're starting a banana mead. The last time I started it with fresh fruits. I also make it as a boucher. It was not a really good success. Maybe it was because of the boucher. I don't know. It tastes a little bit like rocket fuel, and also even 1 year later, it don't taste even like a little bit of banana. So we started it again. This time we're using some juice, or better, it's some nectar, banana nectar. It has 25% bananas and sugar and water. So we need to calculate a little bit. Of course, because this one is really solid, the reading will be difficult. That's why we will calculate. I found an app. It's normally for calculating sugar wash to make alcohol. There we can see, okay, how much gravity we original have. For example, we have here inside 100 milliliter, we have 12 gram sugar. So we have here 120 gram sugar in 1 liter. Let's calculate. That's around 1.046 already. I wanted this as a good table wine, so around 10 to 12%. That's why we need to add more honey. Of course, I wanted to have it as a mead. We need to almost double the sugar. Also, we have the problem that the honey adds volume. That's why we need to calculate a little bit. We have here now 3 bottles. So I calculate with 2.5 liters of this. That give us 120 plus 180 gram sugar already. What did I do? 280 of course 300 gram sugar already in 2.5 liters. I can't do math anymore. Yes, he give me again the 1.046, and he said maybe it become out with 7%. Okay, 7% sounds not so bad. Let's see. When we're adding, for example, 500 gram honey, that means we're adding, come up to 800 gram. But also we're adding some volume to it. So we also have now 2.885 liters. That give us 1.07. So we will add 500 gram honey. But if we add more volume, that means we're adding again 18 gram sugar. And have then 3 liter. 1.04. Okay, so we have 200, we need 500 gram of honey. The scale I need to get in soon. Then we need 2 liters plus 650 liters. 650 milliliters. Okay, that is, let's make it. Okay, we have here now our funnel. Why are we adding the honey first? We're using again our cheap grocery honey. This one was really good deal. 1 kilogram for €5. Best deal ever. It's not the best tasting honey. It tastes like honey, but it's not the best tasting honey. I think it's heated, so some of the flavors is gone. But important, it tastes like honey. It's honey. We can make mead with it. For flavor, honey, of course, it's nice to have some other flavors like in sunflower honey or in, of course, lavender honey. But we also make here banana mead. The most I want is banana flavor and some honey flavor. This is just, it tastes like honey. So yes, it's honey, but not the best honey. The quality of the honey is important, especially if you make a traditional mead. But if you just make melomel, that we do now because we put fruits inside, you can use also some grocery honey with not the best flavor. It must be taste like honey, and it must be real honey to make a mead or a melomel. But you don't need to buy really expensive honey to make a melomel. It's really lost money because you can't taste the difference of cheap honey or expensive honey in a melomel. If you want to have some flavors like lavender in your melomel, of course, then you need to use lavender honey. If you just want to make a melomel with honey flavor and the fruit flavor, use a cheap one. I realized in my Viking blood, I like, for example, the forest honey. There it makes sense to add some more complexity. Here we want some banana honey wine. I want banana and honey flavor, nothing more. We have exactly 500 grams. Perfect. Okay, I wanted to try something before we add a lot of first, of course, I need to check them. I wanted to try to get the gravity. We calculated with 12 grams of sugar in 100 milliliter. We need to be in 1.046. That was a calculation. It's just simple math. And now we see what this shows us. Because here we have now the viscosity of, you can see it don't even think good. You cannot see it well, or yeah, it don't go up fast, and also it don't go down. I mean, I can try to get it somehow. It sticks 5, 7, 6. It cannot measure. So I hope it will change in the final product. It's not really good like banana. We're adding now the 2 liters already. Then we will shake it. So we get inside the honey. Of course, the banana gives us really high density already. So this is 1 liter. Give us a second liter. I also need to check it here. I almost forget. Because of course we need some all the solids inside here. Okay. The honey here in the ground looks so small. I just need to think, do we really make a mead? Yes, we did, because we add 500 grams of honey. That's around 400 grams of sugar. That's more sugar than the juice add. So yes, we make mead. Okay, this one we can put forward here inside, and then now we need to shake. That's the problem. Shaking already 2 kilo, 2.5 kilo. It's a work, but it will go. And I know this honey dissolves good. I think you're just hearing shaking when I shake and talk. So I know this honey dissolves good. So I will shake it a little, and then we see us back. So I just wanted to do something already because I need to check it also. I wanted to add the yeast and the nutrients. I use Mono-Nutri again because I still have it. I want just to finish it, and then I want to start to get my dead breast yeast again. I use half a teaspoon. It's not difficult to ferment banana, but I just wanted to be sure. And of course, table wine yeast, 12% yeast. we will add, let's see if we have here, well, it just was 1 tablespoon left. So also 1 tablespoon of the yeast. Now we can shake a little bit more. Now with the yeast and the nutrients, and then adding the last 650 milliliters. Okay, let's add the last 250 milliliters, the empty one. The last 650 milliliters. It's difficult because I just see it don't have a measure between 600 and 700, but this is around the half. Okay, that's it. Let's add the rest. It's full. So hopefully the yeast is not too stormy. Like I said, we cannot, but the taste is good. We cannot make a reading again because it's now more dense than before. So the reading makes no sense. We will see. I will put here now again cheap alcohol in my airlock. I will put cheap alcohol and then it's done. So, if you like this video, maybe you like the other videos, and of course if you want to know how this product will finish, please subscribe. Here are 2 more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.